All right, guys, I'm going to review what we covered today in class. We looked at how do you convert a rational exponent to a radical expression. So when you see the word rational, that's a fancy word for fraction, okay? So in this first example, I'm going to rewrite this expression with a radical sign, which if you think back to maybe some things that you learned last year, radical is another way of saying the root, okay? So the thing that you need to remember with this is inside over outside. Okay, so that means that the number in the numerator is going to go on the inside, and the number on the and the denominator is going to go on the outside. So I have my radical sign. A, since the numerator is 5, the inside will be 5, and then this is the 6th root. Okay, and that's it. Inside over outside. All right, in this next example, I have two terms here. So I've got 2z, keep your parentheses. The top number is 1, so that means I've got a 1 here, which I don't really need to write, but we will just for the sake of practice. And then my outside, my root is 3. So I could just write this as the cubed root of 2z. Okay. Again, if there's nothing written, there's an understood 1. All right, so on this example, I'm going the other way. I'm taking the radical expression and writing it as an exponent, and I'm going to use that same phrase inside over outside. So I have b. My inside number is 3. So I'm going to have 3 over 7. Since my outside part is 7, that's the 7th root. So the rational expression here is b to the 3/7 power. In this case, so I see there's no number on the outside. And if that is true, there is an understood 2 on the outside of the radical. Okay, so when I rewrite this again, I'm going to use my parentheses. Keep that phrase in mind, inside over outside. My inside number is going to be in the numerator, and then the 2 is my denominator. Okay, so again, guys, don't forget inside over outside.